It's just like so much little tiny things. This is the moment where I'm trying not to get overwhelmed. Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of moving my nail studio. If you missed part 1, that shows me packing everything up, decluttering, getting it moved to the new place, and now it's time to set everything back up and try to figure out the best way to configure this room. If you saw in my last video, I had mentioned like a couple different ways that I thought about putting this room together. So I think today we are gonna test it out. I'm going to basically put some of the furniture around the room and kind of see if it would work. I'm not sure yet, but we are gonna figure it out. This is my office desk, like my computer desk. This is the tabletop for it. And by the way, all of the furniture besides my nail desktop is from IKEA. So all the drawers are from IKEA because they have a really nice setup for drawers, especially for nail products that are really small. So I was thinking of actually getting a longer version of this that could go on top of some of the drawers that I have, and then maybe create an L-shaped type of a desk, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not because I did not actually measure a lot of this stuff, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna move some stuff around and we need to get this room situated. It's Thursday. I have somebody coming Tuesday to do their nails, and I desperately need to do my own nails. These are from, I think, a month ago. Paula Ponce did these nails. I love them. They're so cute, but they're like 4 weeks grown out, and I'm like, okay, I need to do my nails, and I'm like dying to get into some of my products and play around and stuff. Found a measuring tape, and after kind of measuring it out, I think I for sure want to get the taller, skinnier drawers and have them over here. And they're actually not that tall. They're like here. So I should be able to see inside of that top drawer, no problem. And then that'll like free up some space because as much as I love these shorter, wide drawers, they take up a lot of space. You can see that goes like all the way to the window. So I think this way it'll just give a little bit more space in here since there really isn't that much room to begin with. Like, it's not a huge room. I'm hoping I can find some used ones because they are $200 each and I do not want to pay $400. I'm gonna check Facebook and Craigslist and stuff and just hope that somebody has some. We'll see. I could always sell these, I guess, if I wanted to make up the difference. I've done a little bit of rearranging, but I'm not super happy with it so far. I have an idea though, and like I mentioned about getting the taller drawers instead. I was like thinking, if I got the taller drawers, I could probably still leave the closet doors on actually and not have to remove them and have the taller drawers in the closet, which would save a lot of space. The other option is to put them here, and actually on IKEA, on their website, you can actually put in your furniture and your room dimensions. It's just a little bit of an awkward shaped room. Unfortunately, I could not find any used Alex drawers. I did a late night IKEA run because I figured there'd be less people and it was perfect. So I'm going to put together the new drawers and they're gonna go right here. Well, right here or in the closet, but I think I'm gonna try right here first because I feel like I'm gonna be annoyed if I have to get up and like walk over to my drawers anytime I need something. So I feel like I'm gonna like them just right here in the corner a little bit better. So we're gonna do that. The drawers are downstairs and the box is so heavy. I'm gonna have to take apart the whole box downstairs and bring each piece upstairs, but that's fine. We'll do it. We will do it. So we're going to get this put together and set up. after much deliberation and moving things around, I think this is the setup that I am going to stick with. I feel like the setup might be kind of odd, but there is a method to my madness, okay? Because this way, with the window coming in from my left side, just makes the videos and the lighting for content and stuff the best. Then I have my computer desk over here. I decided to put the tall drawers that I went and got from IKEA in the closet because they fit perfectly right here where I can slide that door all the way open and I can get into every single drawer. It is a little inconvenient to have the drawers not right next to me for like easy access while I'm working, but I think it will be okay. I can always move things around later if I'm like, I absolutely hate this. But since the majority of my job now is classes, content, working with brands, I feel like this is gonna be the best for me to have my computer desk and my nail desk like this. I also really like having the drawers in the closet because it means there's less furniture out in the room and I actually have more space within the room. And I still have this whole side of the closet I can use for other extra storage and I don't have to remove the doors. And then I still have the short drawers over here that I don't know exactly what to do with. I could put them in a different area of the house, or I was thinking I have like a cute green velvet chair. It used to be in my studio and have like a little sitting area, but I will definitely put my most used and needed items in these drawers. I just was getting tired of having drawers behind me. I wanted this area to be clear and I have free space to really move around, and then I can easily swivel my chair over here and if I need to do some computer work. So we've got all of these boxes right here. This is a random piece of furniture. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. We've got more boxes in the hallway. We've got the boxes that are in that closet over there. I'm telling you, when you pack and move nail stuff, it's just like so much little tiny things that go into the drawers, but when you have to take everything out and pack it, it's like weird how much space it takes up. So let's go ahead and start unpacking and putting the nail stuff away. It has been too long. This is the moment where I'm like trying not to get overwhelmed and I'm trying to just go with it. But normally I've had the same drawers for a long time, the wide ones. So I would kind of have an idea of how things were already put into those drawers. But since I'm using these drawers now, my brain is like, I don't know about this. I feel like I just have to put stuff in the drawers. Like it may not quite make sense at first, but I'm gonna have to like go with my gut on how I would organize it. So pretty much got polishes at the top, and then I have like my Light Elegance hard gels. This has all builder gels, the American Creator, some magic gel. We're getting there. It's just my brain is very overwhelmed and I'm trying to just keep going, and I can always rearrange afterwards. Are gonna think that I am crazy at this point. I have moved this stuff around so many times and I just want it to be put together so bad so that I can do my nails and I can start filming content again and be back to normal. I think
I made a mistake
getting those drawers is because the polishes fit on the top versus the wide drawers, the polishes don't fit on the top. But I can't put polishes on the top of these anyway, and I'll show you why. And it's because basically a polish will sit right at the top of the drawer. Like the drawer will still close, but if I was to fill this whole thing with polishes, I can't put anything towards the back since the drawers don't open all the way because I won't be able to reach in basically. So after realizing that, I started putting all the polishes at the bottom and I just don't love it. And I'm like, I know I can take them back and get my money back for them if I wanted to. It's not that they're bad drawers, it's just that I have had those wide drawers for so long that I have had things in them in a very particular way. And I just feel like my brain is gonna be so confused when I'm trying to work and I'm not gonna be able to find anything. Maybe I'm just like overthinking it. I am like so frustrated at this point. It has never taken me this long to put back my nail stuff, like after moving. Like for an example, this is chromes and flakes and it works, but before I had them in the skinny drawer and I could see all of the flakes and chromes like all in the same spot. And then like this is all crystals and stuff. And this also works, but before I had them all laid out next to each other so I could see everything at once, and now I can't. These top drawers are pretty much the same as what they were before. I put glitter down here. Everything is like has to stack on top of each other and it's really hard to see because I am so used to having everything laid out horizontally instead of vertically. It's a mess and I'm getting tired and frustrated. Hey guys, it's been a couple days and I just did my friend's nails, so I had to get everything set up enough that I could do her nails, and I'm really liking the way things are looking so far. The shelves look so good with all of those colored bottles on them. I love the way that looks, and I think I'm gonna bring in, you know, like the more like decorations and color that we bring in here. It's gonna be fun, but it's still nice and bright with the white, and it just looks so good. I did end up putting my wide drawers in the closet and stacking them on top of each other. And then the other drawers that I ended up buying from IKEA are on the other side of the closet, so they all fit in there. I'll probably leave it that way just because I did end up filling up those drawers as well, but with other stuff that I had in my last office, like my regular arts and crafts supplies, a lot of tech supplies and camera supplies and stuff. So I have it on that side behind the doors, and then this one is my nail supplies. This is just beautiful. I might add one more shelf and just use it for like the certificates and decorations and things like that, but I've never displayed my certificates. I have so many that I've never put on the wall. So I decided to put up my Cocoist ones. They look really, really nice, and they have like the little official seal on them. And then I've got my computer work desk. Still needs to be a little bit more organized, and I've got a couple other shelves to hang up that I can use for decorations, and also a chair. I had been asking in my DMs on Instagram if anybody had any recommendations for a client chair. So this is the one that I was using, and this is also from IKEA. The nice part about this is that it's really like strong. It's kind of bouncy, but it's really strong. Anyways, it's not like the cutest chair, and I was like, maybe I need like a little upgrade, a chair upgrade, and I was asking for any suggestions for chairs. But then I went and bought some dining chairs, and it was supposed to be 4 chairs, and the guy ended up giving us 5, even though he had it listed for 4. And so I was like, maybe I'll just use one of those as the client chair. So this is the chair. It's like solid wood. There is a cushion, but it is like removable. It's a little bit more of an elevated chair. And then my friend who just came in to get her nails done said that it was way more comfortable. And I was like, oh, perfect. Everybody is probably dying in my old chair and has never told me. No one has ever said anything about that other chair. So I'm probably going to end episode 2 of the studio moving and rearranging and decorating here. And in the next episode, I will probably be doing more decorating, hanging more shelves. I need to hang my neon light, and I'm probably gonna do a little bit more organization as far as like what's in the drawers. And then eventually I will also do a full tour with like showing you everything that's in the drawers, where I got everything. So that'll probably be like episode 4. But yeah, so I am super happy with how it's coming. I did also order some curtains from Urban Outfitters that are green, or like it's like a sheer creamy color. And then I also need to clean up this because we've got all my swatches here in this bag. I need to find a good spot for the swatches, some art, decorations, lights, just a couple, you know, random stuff that I need to take care of. So we'll probably do that next. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys later.